Today, you will learn how to add crop marks in Word document, step by step. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Next, select Options to open the Word Options window. From the menu on the left side, click Advanced. Now scroll down until you find the section called Show Document Content. In this section, look for the option labeled Show Crop Marks and check the box beside it. After that, click OK. You will see small crop marks appear in the corners of your document pages. These marks help you identify the printable area and page boundaries more clearly while working on your document. Keep in mind that crop marks are only visible on your screen and normally do not print on the final document. If you no longer want to see crop marks, simply go back to File, Options, Advanced, and uncheck the Show Crop Marks option. Then click OK to remove them. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.